How to log into Wells Fargo's internet banking. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can log in into Wells Fargo's online internet banking. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up your web browser. Then what you can do is simply search for Wells Fargo internet banking. Then hit enter and several other websites should open up. So here you will see Wells Fargo's official website. You can head over there, or you can directly go to this mobile and online banking as well. So if you're here, all you need to do is tap on this sign on option, or here you will see the good afternoon section where you can sign on itself. So for here, if you're on mobile banking, you can download the app and log in into your app itself. So let's first head over to this website here. All you have to do is type in your username, whatever username that you have, then your password. After you type in your password, if you want to make your future login process easier, select this save username and then tap on sign on. Doing that, you'll be logged in into your Wells Fargo's internet banking. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.